Sagutan natin tong problems. Evaluate the following integrals. So let's start with 1. Integral of 2x times 7th root of x squared dx. Okay, so multiply muna natin yung 2x times 7th root of x squared. So gawin natin fractional exponent itong 7th root of x squared. So that's equal to x raised to 2 sevenths, right? Ngayon, if we multiply x to the first, yan, times x to the 2 sevenths, applying ang multiplication law of exponent, so we will have integral of 2 times, so copy lang yung same base na x, right? And then add the exponent, 1 plus 2 sevenths. So magiging integral ng 2, x raised to, so 1 plus 2 sevenths, 9 sevenths dx. And then, tsaka natin i-apply yung power rule. So, we have the integral of un du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So, meron na pala akong previous video about power rule for integral. So, lilink ko na lang sa description para mapanood nyo. So, applying this formula here, so bale yung 2 pala muna gilid natin, constant, then times the integral of x to the 9/7 dx. So we will have 2 times x raised to 9/7 plus 1. So add 1 sa exponent over, copy sa denominator yung same exponent na 9/7 plus 1. Tas plus c. So 2 times x raised to, so 9/7 plus 1, that will be 16 over 7, right? Over 9/7 plus 1, 16 over 7 din. Plus C. So, simplify natin tong 2 over 16 over 7. So, copy natin itong numerator na 2. So, 2 over 1 yan, right? Times reciprocal ng 16 over 7. That will be 7 over 16. X raised to 16 over 7 plus C. So, simplify natin tong 2 over 1 times 7 over 16. So, cancel si 2, magiging 1. 16 magiging 8. So, bale matitira is 1 times 7, 7 over 1 times 8, 8. So, 7, 8, x to the 16 over 7 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, for number 2 naman tayo. So, integral ng x squared plus 1 times 5th root of x minus 2 dx. Okay, so kailangan muna nating i-simplify. So pwede kong i-FOIL ito, right? So itong 5th root of x, gawin ko munang fractional exponent. So integral ng x squared plus 1 times yung 5th root of x gawing x to the 1/5, right? Minus 2 dx. Then, i-FOIL nga muna natin. So multiply natin to. So, x squared times x to the 1/5, bale, copy the same base x, add the exponent. 2 plus 1/5, that will be 11 over 5. Then, x squared times negative 2. So, negative 2, x squared. Then, next, 1 times x to the 5th. So, positive x to the 1/5. And then, last, 1 times negative 2, negative 2 dx. So, wala naman tayong mako-combine na similar terms dito. So, meron tayong 4 terms sa integral. Pwede nating i-distribute yung integral symbol together with the dx para ma-integrate term by term. So, for the first one, magiging integral ng x to the 11 over 5 dx. Then minus, so yung 2, gigilid natin, constant lang. So, 2 times integral ng x squared dx plus integral ng x to the 1/5 dx, then minus 2, constant lang gilid, integral ng dx. So, evaluating each integral, puro mga power rule uli, applying this formula. So, integral ng x to the 11 over 5. X to the 11 over 5 plus 1 over 11 over 5 plus 1 minus 2 times integral ng x squared dx. So, x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus integral ng x to the 1/5, x raised to the 1/5 plus 1 over the same exponent, 1/5 plus 1. Then minus 2, integral ng dx. Sa standard formula, that's equal to x plus c. So simplify. X raised to, so 11 over 5 plus 1, that will be 16 over 5, right? Then over the same exponent, 11 over 5 plus 1, 16 over 5 then. Minus 2 times x raised to 2 plus 1, 3 over 3. Plus x raised to 1/5 plus 1, 6/5 over 1/5 plus 1, 6/5 then, minus 2x plus c. So, kailangan na lang nating i-reciprocal yung mga denominator tulad dito sa 16 over 5 tsaka 6/5, right? Sige, tuloy natin dito. So, bale, reciprocal ng 16 over 5, that will be 5 over 16, then times x to the 16 over 5. Then, ito magiging minus 2/3 na lang, right? So, 2/3 x cube. Then, plus reciprocal ng 6 over 5, positive 5 over 6, times x to the 6 over 5, then minus 2x plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, for number 3, we have the integral of 2x over the square root of x dx. Okay, so simplify muna natin. This time we're dividing 2x over square root of x. So, bale, integral ng 2x over. So, yung square root of x, gawin natin fractional exponent x raised to 1/2 yan, right? So, this time kapag nagdi-divide ng same base, anong gagawin? So, copy the same base x, then subtract yung exponent ng numerator. So, exponent ni x sa taas is 1. So, x raised to 1 minus exponent ng denominator na 1/2. So, bale, equal to sa integral ng 2, x raised to 1 minus 1/2, positive 1/2 dx. Then, applying power rule. So, gilid muna natin itong 2, constant, times integral of x raised to 1/2 dx. So, bale, 2 times integral ng x to the 1/2 is x to the 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So, 2 times x raised to 3/2 over 3/2 plus c. Tapos, reciprocal yung 3/2 times the numerator 2. So, 2 times 2/3 x raised to 3/2 plus c. So, 2 times 2, 4 over 3 x raised to 3/2 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, for number 4 naman, integral ng 5x squared plus cube root of x minus 1 over 4th root of x dx. Okay, so divide natin, pwede nyo i-distribute yung 4th root of x sa bawat term sa numerator, tapos gawin nating fractional exponent, si 4th root of x. So, bale, integral ng 5x squared over yung 4th root of x, x to the 1/4. Plus, yung cube root of x, gawin din nating fractional exponent that's x raised to 1/3. Then, over x raised to 1/4 minus 1 over x raised to 1/4. Dx. Tapos, simplify natin. So, integral ng 5, x squared divided by x to the 1/4. Bale, x raised to 2 minus 1/4. That's x raised to 7 over 4. Plus, sa dito naman, x raised to 1/3 minus 1/4. That's 1 over 12. Minus ito, gawin yung negative exponent na lang, angat nyo si x pero magiging raised to negative 1/4. Dx. Tapos pwede nyong i-distribute yung integral symbol together with the dx. So, gilid natin yung mga constants. So, 5 integral ng x to the 7 over 4 dx plus integral ng x to the 112 dx minus integral ng x to the negative 1/4 dx. So, applying power rule. So, 5 integral ng x to the 7 over 4, x to the 7 over 4 plus 1 over 7 over 4 plus 1 plus integral ng x to the 1 over 12, x to the 1 over 12 plus 1 over 1 over 12 plus 1 minus integral ng x to the negative 1/4, x to the negative 1/4 plus 1 over negative 1/4 plus 1 plus c. Then simplify. So 5 times x raised ano yung 7 over 4 plus 1? 11 over 4. Over same denominator, 11 over 4 plus x raised to 1 over 12 plus 1, 13 over 12. Divided by 1 over 12 plus 1, 13 over 12. Minus x raised to negative 1/4 plus 1, positive 3/4, over negative 1/4 plus 1, 3/4, plus c. Tapos get the reciprocal ng mga denominator. So, bali 5 times 4 over 11, x to the 11 over 4 plus reciprocal 12 over 13, x to the 13 over 12, minus reciprocal ng 3/4, 4/3 x raised to 3/4 plus c. Tapos multiply natin to, 5 times 4, 20 over 11, x to the 11 over 4, plus copy na lang to, 12 over 13, x to 13 over 12, then copy minus 4/3 x raised to 3/4 plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay, try nyo namang evaluate itong integral ng 2x squared times square root of x plus 1 dx. And just comment your answers.